Here I've got OnePlus 8 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now you have to click on security and lock screen and now select fingerprint unlock. So at first you have to pick some backup to your fingerprint. It can be either pattern, pin code or the password. I will choose pattern and now just draw the unlock pattern that you have. Click on next and now you have to redraw it to confirm. And decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to see sensitive one only, or if you want to see them at all, but I would like to see everything, so I will leave it this way. Then tap on done, and here you've got the sensor for the fingerprint, so just tap on next, and now it's time to add a fingerprint. Tap on next and just add the edges. And that's it. As you can see, the fingerprint has been enrolled, so just click on done. And now, as you can see, you will be able to unlock your phone, your device, with this fingerprint only, right, like this. Or if you will give your phone to somebody, he or she can use this pattern that you set as the backup. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can protect your device by adding a fingerprint. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.